Right, we're recording. Hello. I'm on camera. Anyway, what is it now? Yeah, what is it now? It's yeah, but what are we? Whether it's 21st of June now. So it's been a while, and it's pretty much stopped leaking. Not completely. And I'm just going to come back and see how she looks on the inside. Cover's been brilliant. This cover was worth every penny. Custom made. So the pump went off before, just as we got here. Still going. It's not too bad. Yeah, I was here. Oh no, wow, shit. Look at that. This will be interesting. This will be interesting. Oh, come on, ice cream. Obviously a leak there. Somewhere. But no. Oh. There's a few rain leaks. We'll have to deal with it one stage, but so be it. Not too bad. We can work with it. Yep, so the repair work has begun. Dad is removing the broken rail to try and replace it, or at least patch it up. Look at this little doggy. He's pretty cute, eh? Alright. Hi. I'm just going to pack up the emergency bilge pump, the backup bilge pump. It's not really needed at the moment. And then I'm going to try and whip back the water out of the bilge so we can see where it's coming in from. And get to it. This is a shonky design too, so but it might work if need be. Probably not. Well, so it's been, what's been, February, March, it's been a while, and it looks like most of the water, like it was coming from the front, that's kind of sealed up now. I'd say what's coming in now is what's leaking around the bottom of the keel that we struggled with a wee bit when we started caulking it. So that might be a thing. I think it's all just coming up from here somewhere. So we're going to pump it out, find out. Good thing about this is I'll suck all the dirty shit out of the bilge. So I'll give it a vacuum out, and it's hard to tell where it's coming from exactly. It's sort of seeping in. Really slow though, really slow. So I don't think we can do anything about that. What I think it's coming from is the base of the keel. Under here we had real problems trying to get it to seal properly, and I'd say it's just a continuation of that. And at this point we will just wait and see how she goes. There's still a slight trickle coming from the front. But not a lot we can do. I don't think it's worth taking it out. We will wait and see. Well, got the mad scientist over here. Bloody fixing up the rail that got broken in the move. How's it going, Chief?
Good. Cut it through.
Yeah, we're making more holes in the boat.
Yep.
It's the right thing to do.
Yeah, so I just cut the join there. I've just flick out these bits of bog and pull these screws out, and it should all just come off.
We've just got to screw out the top. It's going to come off. I don't think it's going to be that easy, but it's good. It's good mentality. Yeah, I think it's
rebated into the deck a wee bit and glued down. I suppose so we'll just have to quietly chisel away.
Yeah, might be a bigger job than time-wise than we originally thought. Anyway, but what a cracker day!
Beautiful.
Good day to be on a boat. Any day is a good day. Well, not any day. Sometimes it's pretty terrible to be on a boat, but today is a good day. Pity we're here and not out somewhere more better. But such is life. Yeah. When you get the stainless, it's like woohoo!
Yeah, they come out easy. Yeah. That one's a bit easier. I've got them all out. So one's broken off here. The one's broken off. It goes round. So that's right.
Yeah. Let's see if the motor starts. Perfect. You'd never know that had been underwater before. Right, so day 2, and put the rigging up. She didn't film. Yeah, just got Dad grinding. Well, I think we're going to call it a day now. Got the talking to myself.
Excellent.
Yeah. What are you up to? Hey, dirty windows. So much cleanness. Least of my problems. Yeah, gearbox done, pretty much, and I just finished wiring up the glow plug relay, which I have to put away later on, tidy that up, then we move on to fuse box, switchboard, type doodads and some wiring, and might put a boom on tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Sunny day, sort of, kind of, more or less. It's a pretty good day. Great success. I like. And that's pretty much it. Bit of tidying up. It's like a cave in there. Definitely like a cave. Get some lights going in there one day. Well, there's my $1.7 million marina bathroom up there. What do you reckon about that? 1.7 million. Pretty fancy. Yachties. Our fancy boats. Fancy. We need stuff like that, right? 1.7. So we got the sail out earlier on. Yeah, it wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be.
That's what she said.
Got a high cut bottom to it. Which it is what it is. Yeah. For some reason, I thought it went quite far past the mast, but apparently it doesn't. Which is fine. I'm sure it's fine. It's fine then. It's fine now. And just gotta tighten up the bolts. Got the battery in. 200 amp hour lithium at the moment. And I just gotta finish tightening up all these brackets. So luckily I've got this engineer who made up all the stuff for me. New bracket just to make the cable length a bit more easier, because we had a few problems with it not going in and out of gear easily, and it feels like we've sort of sorted that now. So yeah, she's a pretty old, well, it's a mess, but you know, it's floating sort of, more or less. And yeah, there's the stuff everywhere, anyway. Oh, right, yeah, good. Right, back to work. Hear me actually, so this is day 2. Didn't film most of it, but we did get the gearbox cable installed. So yeah, someone forgot to charge the battery on the GoPro. Absolute amateur. Anyway, Dad's got the side skirts in. So we're just doing some notches in the top for these things, and we got the rigging in, but I think I left the other turnbuckle at home. Great. But that's alright. Oh, poor head. Yeah. Another day. Success. Man, look at that sunset. It's one thing Golden Bay definitely does have is really good weather. Like, it is an amazing spot. If you haven't been to Golden Bay yet, get yourself up there and have a look. It's amazing. Right, well, it's day 3 now, I think, in the afternoon. It's noisy here this time of year. They're carting rock or something in the harbour. It's quite noisy compared to yesterday. But she looks like a boat again. Actual sailboat. Got both sails on. Dad's just hooking up the other bits and pieces, and been up the mast, which I didn't film. Probably should have. Rookie. Anyway, what's happening now? Oh, I just got to find a nut for the gearbox. Yeah, so we've got engine charging from the alternator, and we've got the glow plugs working. Dad's pretty much done the rails. Just waiting for the glue to dry. We'll do a final sand and tidy her up a bit. And we're hoping to take it for a spin tomorrow, if the weather's decent. Which doesn't look that promising, does it? But we'll see how we go. Well, the weather certainly wasn't good enough for a sail, as a huge storm was coming through in the next couple of days, and little did we know that it would flood Nelson, Marlborough, Takaka, pretty much the whole top of the South Island. Dad's just running around, gonna make up some little bits of wood to replace some of these. That's the plan for today. That one, and I think there's one up here. Just generally tidying it up. And I'm gonna do some wiring. More wiring. Get on the boat. Yeah. Had a little bit of rain this morning. We've had both sails up, and yeah, she's looking like a boat kind of thing. Oh, what's over the side? Dad's other work. This is what Dad did the last couple of days. Just replaced all that. She's pretty messy. We could do it in the rain, wash everything off. Maybe I'll sweep it up. I don't know. It's looking good, you know. And it's supposed to be some terrible weather in the next few days. But it's not too bad here. Alright, so we got all the rails all fixed up. Yes, so it's just the task of running wires and running battery wires now, just through all this maze of shit and through the cupboards and everything else to get to the battery, from the battery to the control panel, and then from there we can start running lights and chart plotters and all that good stuff, the jips and everything else. Oh, there you go. Still going. It's not too bad. Hey guys, it's present day Daryl here. Thought I might give you a wee bit of an update on the boat. We have not been up there for a wee while now due to work commitments. As far as we know, the boat is all good. We've got a couple of people that are up there keeping an eye on her, so all is well up there. Yeah, we left that. This video leaves off just before that big storm hits Nelson. So yeah, it was a few months ago now as well. I'm a wee bit behind on videos and bits and pieces. But I thought maybe the next video we might do a bit of a sort of Q&A maybe, or we'll go through some pricing, some costs of what we've spent so far, and yeah, that sort of thing. Maybe talk through why how we put it in the water and why we did it the way we did it. Things like that. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments. If you made it this far through the video, cheers for watching, and cheers for liking, subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, it's prison. Fuck. This is not my house.